Hey, what's up guys? My name is Averroes. I'm a law student and welcome to the Faculty of Engineering. Sit back and enjoy the video guys. Thank you. So here we are at the Faculty of Engineering, and as a matter of fact, this Faculty of Engineering consists of 4 main faculties, right?
Yes, sir.
One is chemical, one is electrical, the other is public engineering, and the last one is mechanical. And this is the main entrance into the faculty. It's like the main ground. There are 2 towers, one on the right. The other one is on the left. And we're going to be continuing on walking. And yeah, Adib's going to submit his assignment before 4 p.m. Let's go, Adi, let's go! Bersama student engineering. Engineering students.
Gap. Kafe baru.
Kami baru. Yeah. Kalau tak silap, dekat Fakulti Engineering ni ada at least dalam 4 kafe, tapi mungkin ada lagi banyak kot. So here we are guys, we are at the cafeteria at the engineering faculty. Jom. Oh, anda. Ingat tadi. Getting to the left. Let's go. Backwards.
Jauh punya. Tapi maximum 10. Ya. Kita kena ketat lah.
Adi sedang menghantar assignmentnya. Contohi pelajar seperti Adi. Student like Kimia. Kelas pendek.
Bila masuk tadi tu letakkan switch.
Lepak. Level 13. Why? Cik ada padang belakang tau.
Memang
Jalan kaki. You ada yang bayar 200 tu. Apply je lah college next sem. Kita merayu lah. Level 20. Level 20. Kami level 20 cakap. Kami pelajar baru.
Kami tanya kawan kami baru masuk kan. Dia dari UiTM.
Hari ini kita akan pretend jadi student mechanical. We are going to crash into the class. Kita akan pura-pura jadi student. So, okay, siapa berani aku belanja burger? Aku buka Serius
Apa ni? Kita boleh saya in order. We are buying it from someone else. So when we are not inventing, kita tak banyak sangat kita guna maths ni. So all the advanced math that you are using now, most probably you're not going to use it. And I don't see that it's gonna change in time soon. On how things work. Actually, you belajar banyak maths. Tapi kalau you tak faham macam ni, mesti tak guna lah.
Tapi dah graduate gaji banyak.
Saya just share lah. When I started out 2005, my first salary was masa salary tadi tu kan, tak perlu, kalau saya ikut saya punya pengalaman lah, tak perlu risau sebenarnya, sebab ada some people there when they are starting out, they want to 2005.
I just had first-hand experience of becoming an engineering student. I think that was a electrical, right? Mechanical, yeah. First experience becoming a mechanical student inside your hall. I think lecturer tak kisah kan kalau tiba random masuk lah. Cuma orang padang tiba-tiba pelik macam siapa dia ni masuk kan. Yeah. Weh, dua random pun semua masuk kat. Masuk je macam aku rasa
Aku tak kisah lagi meriah
bagi meriah kan. Impian nak naik ke bumbung tak jadi. Gagal. Tapi at least kita dapat view ni kot. Ni pun dah cukup elok kot. Boleh nampak kan? Weh. Wow. Damn boy.
Kita tak ni jadi sunset.
Let's go.
Jogging sunset UiTM.
Ya.
Sama lagi.
Sunset
UiTM.
nak trial apa ni?
Jogging lah.
Tu kena rajin sikit lah. Masuk naik jogging tapi curam atas. Macam naik bukit tu.
Training stop bro. Training stop siap.
Sebagai di itu boleh gerak ke tak? Yang kuning.
Boleh gerak lah. Ini masuk kan?
Tahu.
Weh, tong-tong apa ni?
Ada 500 hari ke? Tinggi juga.
Dia letak api sini, letup satu fakulti tu.
Ini USB ya?
PSG.
Dari kat USB. Boleh bulu. Boleh bulu.
Oh, banyak bulu. Banyak betul kayu dia.
Aku dah tengok lepas depan tepi jalan kadang-kadang sukses tu.
Setakat ni, itulah perjalanan kita untuk explore satu fakulti engineering. Until next time, we'll see you again in the next videos. Thank you guys.